Welcome to my channel, dear student. See, this is the problem of integration for 10 plus 2 level. The integration is 0 to pi by 2 root over sin x over root over cos x plus root over sin x dx. So apply the formula 0 to a integral 0 to a f of x dx, that is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So we can write here, this is a 0 to pi by 2, so we can replace in place of x, this is pi by 2 minus x everywhere except dx. The property is here. See, since integral lower limit is 0, upper limit is a, f of x dx equal to 0 to a, copy this, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the property of definite integral. Okay, and the given integration, let us assume this is as I. Okay, doing I plus I equal to, copy the second part of this integral, then sin pi by 2 minus x, we can write here cos x root over cos x. Okay, on the denominator part be cos, here would be sin. Okay, this is cos 90 minus x, we can write here sin x, same as sin 90 minus x, we can write here cos x. Clear? That is equal to I here. So now doing I plus I, therefore I plus I equal to, the first integral is 0 to pi by 2 root over sin x over root over cos x plus sin x dx. Okay, and the last integral, which is we get here, that is 0 to pi by 2 root over cos x over root over sin x plus dx. See, if we add these two integral, then we get here on the numerator part be here cos x root over cos x plus root over sin x, and the both the LCM are same, root over sin x plus root over cos x. So these two integral are cut out, so we get an integral dx, and limit here is 0 to pi by 2. So integral dx means x, and limit is here 0 to only x here, and lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. So pi by 2. So get here, that is equal to pi by 2. Clear? I think all of you are better understood. See, implies that 2i equal to pi by 2. So we got here I equal to pi by 4. I is equal to, copy this, then we got here I equal to, right here pi by 2. So I think a little better understood. Very interesting problem for 10 plus 2 level, and it is important for JIIT.